Hello, welcome back to our channel. I am Hannah and today I will be reacting to one of the participants for the Benidorm national finale in Spain for Eurovision 2025. It's a song by Carla Frigo called Bésame. I have not heard it before and it will only be the vocals, only be the song, not the video. Before I do so, make sure to like and subscribe. It will mean a lot to us and will make it possible for us to continue to make videos like this. And without further ado, let's go. Okay. Okay, so it's very auto-tuned and it works with this song. It makes me not sure how well of a singer she is live, but I like the vibe of the song. I like the oh, it's so much happening at once. I like the rhythm, whatever that was. It felt like a, I don't know what, but it works with her voice, and it's kind of like a laid-back song, but a cool one. Ooh. Okay, so it kind of changed into a different type of song there, and I love that. This is like a perfect song to dance to and to have in the clubs, but still it's like a sexy song. And again, I just wish I knew Spanish so that I know what it is about, but it's probably about love and beautiful women and dancing. Yeah. I can just imagine the dance break that she has on stage with this song. She's probably a great dancer, and I bet this is a great show, you know, like a song that is made for the stage first and foremost. Like the rhythms are really like Spanish, you know, and it's like a modern type of, I don't know, it's like a techno version of Spanish rhythms. I like it. Ooh. Okay, so there she said it. You're my fire, fire, fire. You know, it's about love, it's about pasión, which is in the heart of every Spanish person, right? You know, I can dance to this song. I can jam to this song. This song works for me. I like it. Ooh, a lot happening. Oh, and there they brought in like some type of was that a violin? I don't know. It's cool. Okay, kiss me one more time. Your breath brings me back to life. You know, can't live without love. I said it. It's just a great song. Okay. You know what? Carla Frigo, I'm a fan of you. I'm a fan of your song. I want to dance to your song. I want to listen to your song. I want to watch you dance to the song. I want to watch you perform to the song. And I want to see... I just can't wait for Benidorm. It's going to be so great. Do you agree with me on this? What do you think of the song? What do you think of the artist? And what do you think of Benidorm this year? We cover the national finales, and we do so because we believe that there are a lot of gems there for Eurovision that doesn't make it through to the finale. Maria already did a ranking of the national finales. If you want to watch that, just click the link down below. And we also made a compilation of gems that you missed from the national finales for 2024, which you can also watch down below. And there are a lot of gems. Like, people, you need to catch on to the national finales, I'm telling you. I hope you liked this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!